Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Arlington Heights, local and long distance movers near me. For any relocation inter or interstate, we have a team that can take it on. So you should contact our team to move you from one place to another, either in the locality, state, or outside the state. When it comes to legal regulations and governments overseeing, we don't joke with authorities. All authorities involved in relocation are abreast of our activities. We don't just help you move your belongings, we also care about safety. We have insurance on all your properties to keep them safe during and after relocation. Our drivers are fantastic at their jobs, so you can rest assured of your luggage getting to your new space without any scratches. Likewise, we have the most affordable prices at the highest quality of service, so no need to bother about getting overcharged. As you would expect, moving luggage within a locality is cheaper than moving over a distance. We are fantastic local movers, and we charge an affordable rate of between $30 and $40 every hour. When you contact us to help you move locally, we ensure that you receive a service more than what you paid. Our team has a suitable license and is responsible, so you get all your belongings in a piece. We have a particular skill for moving into remote areas and cities, so your goods will get to your home in little or no time. If you're confused about the moving process, our team will give you the proper steps to save you time and money. Maybe, just maybe, that's the reason why many locals give us the best reviews. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Arlington Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.